Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Andito naman po yung lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi naabangan sinusubaybayan at pinakamahal na Renzo Tarot Channel. Ang ating pong reading ngayon na pagkasamahan ay general reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Aries. Okay? This is for you, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at naka-resonate kayo or nagustuhan niyo po ang ating channel, ang ating video ay don't hesitate to comment, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe po. Sige, mega mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na laging nanonood nakaabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And wag natin pang patagalin ito. For you, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Sige? Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 cards please for Aries. I hope you are in a good condition. I hope and I pray na healthy po kayo. You're safe, you're happy. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta, at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon na hindi nyo po ako iniwan. And sinasabi ko nga lagi, utang na loob ko po ang success ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Kung wala po kayong mga pinamahal kong viewers, mga subscribers, ay wala po ang ating channel ngayon. Maraming salamat po. And I hope na patuloy po niyo akong suportahan. Patuloy niyo po abangan ng ating mga videos and readings sapagkat kayo po ang nagpapalakas ng aking loob at for me to keep going with this craft. Sige? Spirit Universe, tatlo na lang. Aries, sige. Last 2. Yan, nahulog and your 10 cards are now complete. Gusto kayo, Aries? So, let's start or let's begin your general reading with this Empress card. Aries, you will be regaining. I can see here mga Aries na parang it seems na parang kung sa it's like you're a baby. It's like a newborn baby. Parang a kind of Aries na ang laki talaga ng pinagbago. Ang laki ng maturity or ang laki ng transformation sa sarili. Not only in the physical looks, but I can see her a big transformation sa Aries sa emotion, decision making, hindi na kayo basta-basta nasisway. It seems like parang, yes, may mga advices, may mga nagsasabi ng ganito, but you just parang tinitake mo lang to, but still what you're applying is yung sarili mo pa rin discernment or yung sarili mo pa rin decision. Okay? So, we can see here an Aries blooming. It seems physical looks is like, talagang oozing with confidence. So, it's like shining. Your face is radiating positivity sa labas pag pumupunta ka sa labas or like sa gathering, so you always catch the attention of the crowd. So kasi ito nakikita natin, it's like this is about a kind of Aries na malayong-malayo sa dati na parang napabayaan ang sarili or parang kitang-kita sa mukha or sa sarili na parang hindi na sa maayos na forma. Okay, so Aries, I'm so happy that you're now back on track at least now inaayos mo muli ang iyong sarili. And okay, High Priestess. So, I can see here mga Aries na nagsisimula ng ma-discover ang kanilang mga talents or gifts. Siguro, since Aries, ang nakikita ko dito ay parang you will be also involved or parang yung skills na ma-develop or ma-discover mo ay kinalaman din sa spirituality. Your intuition will be heightened. So may mga iba sa inyo na mag-start na ma-discover ang talent nyo sa psychic ability. May magta-tarot reading na rin. So any kind, your visions or manifestations, maging life coach kayo, healer. So any kind na involve ang spirituality. Makikita natin dito na may unti-unti may mga Aries na talagang tututukan na ito or maybe you will call it is like your path, your chosen path or ito yung path na align kayo. That's why i-embrace yun ito, Aries, and walang masama dito. It's because if you think that this is where you're aligned, talagang feel mo na talagang dito ka talaga binilagay ni universe din. Embrace it. Walang masama dito. Basta gamitin mo lang ito sa maayos. So, there's nothing to worry about it. So, spirituality, heightened, or being activated. Oh, Hermit. So, Aris, you will start now, sabi ko nga, ilalabas mo na, i-showcase mo na yung mga hindi mo pa nailabas for a long time. Makikita ito ng karamihan, makikita ito ng community. Okay, they will be surprised na may ganitong talent para si Aris na hindi natin alam. So, actually, even your family members and your friends don't know about this thing. Because it may be weird for them or because something is strange para sa kanila, but for you, you embrace it. That's really who you are, and you will be confident. Hindi ka mahihiya na ilabas ito or ipakita ito. It's because this is where you're aligned, sabi ko nga. So now, Aris, I can see you na hindi na mahihiya i-share ang talent or ipakita kung anong ability meron ka. So that's why you need to harness it. Gamitin mo na ito. So why don't you start doing a social media account or vlogging, podcasting, so any kind of thing na magigain ka ng community or followers na mai-share mo itong talent na meron ka. Okay, so yeah, Queen of Pentacles. So this is very important for you, Aries, na mailabas mo ito because maaring makatulong din to sa'yo in terms of income generating. Aside from what is this, sharing the talent that you have, it is also beneficial for you kasi itong Queen of Pentacles signifies stability in terms of finances. So, mali mo, dito pala ang mabigay sa'yo ng katatagan is like stable na source of income kasi in this world, this is very rare na may mga talent na ganito ang tao, and that's why you need to develop it. You need to meditate and you need to manifest this talent na meron ka para mas lalong ma-discover ng karamihan. At the same time, it's like a win-win situation. Matutulungan mo ang mga tao, matutulungan mo mga viewers mo or mga followers mo. At the same time, you will be gaining a benefit from it, like monetary. Siyempre, babayaran ka sa mga ads or kung ano man. And at the same time, magagamit mo ang pera na to at least pang araw-araw or maybe for any future expenses na gagamitin mo. But nakikita natin dito, you will be rewarded or you will be paid by this talent na meron ka. Tapos iniulit ko nga, Aris, don't hesitate na ilabas na ito, showcase na ito. This is the perfect time. Kailan pa ba? Kung kailan i-harness mo na habang ngayon ay talagang, kumbaga, gamitin mo na habang panahon ay peak pa. Kumbaga, ang tao ay drawn into social media. So, why don't you enter this area? Kumbaga, i-penetrate mo na yung social media through your talent. Okay, wag mo nang itago to. Hindi nito panahon para isarilihin ang mga talento na meron tayo. So, strength card, Aris, you don't need to worry. You don't need to fear. Wag tanggalin ang takot, ang doubts, ang pangamba sa araw-araw because the universe is sending you a message that you are strong and you will be strong. Kasi ito, kung ano man yan talent na yan, kung ano man yan talagang nasa puso mo na gusto mong simulan or gawin or pinili mo, that will make you happy. Kasi here, look at the background color, it's a color of joy and happiness. So you will be contented. That craft or that talent will give you the contentment and happiness that you've been longing for a long time. Kasi matagal na panahon na, Aris, parang although you are working, you have the finances, but still you felt emptiness. Parang may kulang. And now, then that the universe will be sending you, it's like an opportunity to showcase that talent na meron ka. You need to cast out the fears and the doubts. Kaya mo yan, no? Nagagawa mo nga dito na paamuhin ang isang mabangis na hayop. So it's like, yung pag-showcase pa kaya ng anumang meron ka na talent. Okay? This is the best time, ulit ko. There's no other time para magpakitang gilas ka, Aris. Okay? I know that you're talented. I know, Aris, that you're very intelligent. So, please, harness it. Wag na. Tanggalin na yung mga hiya-hiya, tanggalin na yung mga takot and doubts. Maybe, tatangkilikin ba ako? May manonood ba sa akin? May makikinig ba sa akin? Yes. Yes. Just need to be consistent. Of course, hindi sa first day, second day, third day, biglaan. But later on, you just need to be consistent, Aris. Pag alam mo na that talent is given to you by the universe and you're using it for good. So, you don't need to worry. Here's the strength card. Papalakasin ang loob mo ng universe. Kailangan mo lang gawin ang part mo by doing it or starting it now. Okay? Walang mangyayari kung hindi mo sisimulan, Aris. Okay? Nasusundan ba? And kapag naka-resonate kayo or nagustuhan yung ating reading, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe po sa ating channel. Okay? Let's continue, Aris. Okay, we have here the 7 of Wands. Ah, Aris, isa sa nagkakas ng doubt sa'yo o nagbibigay ng parang agam-agam kung ilalabas mo na ba or showcase mo na yung talent mo, it's because you're always after sa sinasabi ng ibang tao. This is the blockage for you. You know that you have the talent. You know you have the eagerness para maipalabas na ito or para ma-share na ito sa mga tao. But seems that you are ang bumabagabag sa isipan mo. It seems that kasi ano kaya sasabihin nila o baka may makapanood sa akin, may makarinig sa akin. No, ito because you're thinking that you're always thinking about what other people say. Of course, given na talaga may mga bashers, may mga taong hindi tayo gusto, whether gumawa tayo ng maganda or masama, still, you know, they are there to, kumbaga nakaantay lang sila, nakaampang lang sila para na mag-fail tayo, Aris. So, here, hindi na kumbaga, the card is very clear na meron talagang tao na hindi tayo gusto. But what I'm saying is that you need to remove that mindset. Okay, tanggalin mo yung pag-isip na yan na because if we're always after sa mga sasabihin ng tao, hindi tayo makaka-move forward, Aris. So, mai-stuck tayo sa isang situation at the same time that will pile up and, you know, it will serve as a blockage for our manifestation. So, dead ma. So, wag mong isipin yung mga sinasabi ng ibang tao. Oh, look, we have the moon. So, uh, this moon card represents your emotion. So, you need to find balance first. Sige, kung hindi ka pa talaga ready sa na ilabas or i-share ang iyong talent, then you need to have introspection. I-assess mo muna ang sarili mo or magmuni-muni ka muna. You need to reflect on yourself first. To ask for the help of the universe. With this moon card, you will be having the clarity. Malilinawan ka. Malilinawan ang isip mo at the same time hanggang decide ka na, okay? Kasi mahirap naman kung gumawa ka ng desisyon na kapag hindi ka pa ready or malabo pa ang lahat para sa'yo. But this moon card will give you the clarity. Magiging malinaw ang lahat, marireveal, makakonect-connect ang lahat. And for that, then you will make a decision in the right time kapag, kumbaga, ready ka na. Okay? So, we have here the Ten of Swords. So, magkatapat sila ng Hermit card. I can see her Aries na talagang may frustrations, may mga doubts, may mga, even you are questioning yourself. Nakikita natin dito kung baka even your talent, you're questioning it. Kung talagang para ba sa ito or worth it ka ba na ipagpatuloy ito? Kasi it is very rare, hindi to yung normal na talent ng para sa karamihan. That's why you are a little bit anxious kung tatanggapin ka ba ng mga tao or papaniwalaan ka ba. But I'm telling you again, Aris, like us, the tarot readers, kung ano mga may mga talent dyan na something out, kumbaga hindi normal. But you just need to have the courage first. Ang kailangan mo munang gawin ay paniwalaan na yung sarili. Hindi ka man paniwalaan ng ibang tao muna, but it's yourself, ikaw muna ang kailangan magsimula na magtiwala sa sarili mo. Everyone will follow. Kasi kapag nakita naman ng mga tao, sincere ka naman sa ginagawa mo, or sincere ka naman dyan sa what is this, sa layunin mo, or objective mo kung bakit mo ginagawa ang isang bagay, then everything will follow. So, at least mapapaniwala mo sila. Kasi mahirap na kung you want people to believe you, gusto mong ang mga tao ay maniwala sa iba, nakikita nila na parang ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, Aris, ay may doubts, natatakot ka, nahihiya ka. So, you know, how are you going to stand on your ground and how are you going to develop or form a solid foundation with that skills and craft na meron ka? You need to believe in yourself first. Tanggalin mo yung mga pagdududa sa sarili mo. Okay? Aris, it is a very beautiful reading. So, oh, look at this one. You are promised. Kung ano man yung talent na meron ka, please use it. Because here, the Wheel of Fortune, ruleta ng kapalaran, this is good fortune, good news, prosperity. Yayaman ka dyan. Ito mag-aangat sa'yo. Okay? Sabi ko nga, hindi kailangan ang talent ay talagang pareho ng karamihan. Even it is odd or kakaiba, but still, that is given to you. Diyan ka aligned. Okay? You don't need to ask for validation of others. You need to do your part first. Maniwala ka muna sa sarili mo. Simulan mo muna ang unang hakbang, then everything will follow. Maniwala ka. This wheel of fortune, the universe is sending you a message at Aries that you're on the right track. Nasa tamang landas ka. And it will give you the stability not only by finances, hindi lang sa pera, but it will give you the happiness. It will give you the contentment because this is where you are alive. Okay? You just need to focus. You just need to be self-centered. Kasi kapag ma-distract ka, magpapadistract ka sa opinions or sa reactions ng ibang tao, then ikaw ang matatalo. You will lose this game. Okay, Aris? Here, you are promised, you are guaranteed of a bright future. Magandang kapalaran. This is a wheel of fortune. This is a very luck is on your side. Nasa tabi mo ang swerte. So, Aris, it's up to you. Ikaw muna magsisimula sa sarili mo. Believe me, maniwala ka sa akin. Kung ano man yung ikinakahiya mo, kung ano man yung talent na meron ka, kinikip mo sa sarili mo, maniwala ka with this wheel of fortune card. That will be the key. Yan ang magiging susi sa pag-angat mo at paglago ng iyong buhay. Tapusin natin tong napakagandang reading, Aries, with the 10th and last card of Ace of Cups. So, new beginning. Believe me, Aries, the universe is sending you a message that Aries, be strong, be courageous, just go forward. Uh, just focus on the path that you have chosen because that will lead you to the contentment and happiness that you are longing for. Hindi ka after sa material na pera na matatanggap mo, but you wanted a peace of mind. You wanted the contentment kasi uh, actually, kayo yung mga taong parang hindi masyado materialistic. Basta ang gusto nyo lang ay masaya kayo, yan yung talagang pinili nyo, nakakapagbigay kayo ng kasiyahan sa ibang tao, you brought sunshine or you give hope to others, then that's already enough for you, Aris. And if you ask me, please do it now. Simula na to, there's no other time. If you saw this video at nakaresonate kayo, mag-comment po kayo, like and share, and of course, subscribe. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagsasama, mag-iingat po kayo lagi. God bless us all.